planet Mercury has just moved into the sign of Cancer, which is where it will remain from today, June 1st, all the way until August 8th of this year. The reason why Mercury is going to be in the sign of Cancer for so long is because, yes, we are coming up on a Mercury retrograde. This Mercury retrograde in the sign of Cancer starts on June 29th, but from now until then, we're in the clear. Cancer is a cardinal sign, modality-wise. Cardinal signs initiate change, start new things, push things forward, and take the lead. Cancer is also a water sign, and the water element in astrology can relate to things such as healing, magic, psychic abilities, tender emotions, nourishment, and so much more. So now that the planet of communication, Mercury, is now in the sign of Cancer, conversations and interactions that you may experience could be a bit more emotional, feelings shared between people. Communication is basically approached in a more sensitive and emotional manner. You could find yourself traveling to some natural body of water or hear new developments regarding the waterways or water in general on a collective level that may appear on your feed or algorithm. And this is also a good time to improve your communication when it comes to family matters and domestic matters as well. You could even hear from some distant family members around this time as well. The sign Cancer is ruled by the moon, and it's the only sign ruled by the moon. This means that the moon itself, or the moon herself, is going to be the ruler of this Mercury and Cancer transit, which will last for most of the summer, or if you're in the southern hemisphere, y'all's winter. Now, the moon moves signs approximately every 2.5 days. So whatever sign that the current transiting moon is in throughout this Mercury and Cancer transit will kind of give you a clue or a hint as to how Mercury's energies and influences will be expressed and felt from us down here on Earth. As you may know, Jupiter and Venus, both of the great benefics, are also in the sign of Cancer as well. Although Venus and Mercury will not meet, Mercury will get pretty close to Jupiter's position in the sign of Cancer, right before Jupiter enters Leo and right before Mercury stations retrograde. So although the exact conjunction between Mercury in Cancer and Jupiter in Cancer will not happen yet, due to Mercury's close proximity to Jupiter a few weeks in the future, whatever Mercury is doing within your personal story could be magnified or something could be trying to grow. This also adds layers of just luck and wanderlust to whatever Mercury is doing in your personal story. As Mercury in Cancer gets closer to Jupiter in Cancer, there could be some sort of insight or realization that you have that you will then take with you into the Mercury retrograde in Cancer season, and that can help you or someone else along your way. As we know, the moon goes through something called a lunar cycle and has phases. Since Cancer is a zodiac sign ruled by the moon, the way that Mercury's energy could be expressed while in the sign of Cancer can also vary and change. This could be reflected in your own communication or how others communicate to you as well. Look, like one day you're super sociable and wanting to just let your mind run wild and just sharing your thoughts with everyone. And then the next day, maybe you're a little more reserved and your focus is shifted elsewhere and maybe you just want to stay home that day. This is the kind of energetic cosmic fluctuation that we can most likely expect throughout this Mercury in Cancer season. Also, if you have your natal Mercury in Cancer or your natal Cancer Mercury, welcome to your mercurial return.